Today, you will learn how to crop a picture into a circle in Word. First, open your Word document. Now, click on Insert, then click Pictures, and choose the image you want to add. Once the picture appears in your document, click on the image. You will see a new tab at the top called Picture Format. In the Picture Format tab, click the small arrow under Crop. Now go to Crop to Shape and choose the oval shape. Your picture will become round. If you want a perfect circle, click Crop again, choose Aspect Ratio, and select 1:1. That's it. Your image is now a perfect circle. You can adjust your image in a circle by using these resizing handles. That's it. Now you know how to crop a picture into a circle in Word. If this video helped you, please like the video, subscribe for more easy Word and computer tutorials. Thanks for watching.